Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction that's going on in the Halifax area. We just turned off Lady Musgrave Road onto Halifax Avenue. Now there are about 6 construction sites the last time we came through here. 6, that's how many apartments or townhouses are being built in this area. The ones here on the left, they are completed already. So we're going to just take a quick tour of the neighborhood. And this is what happens in most areas now. There's a lot of construction, a lot of residential units are being constructed. Not to mention the high-rise buildings that are going up. Okay, so this is one on the left. Okay. There you can see it. Alright, so we're gonna continue the tour now. This is another one over here. And if you go into the residential part in New Kingston, same way you have a lot of construction. Millsboro, Barbican, Ligony, a lot of construction going on. So that's 2. And most of these, okay, that one is another site, but they haven't really started yet. Most of these properties had like a single dwelling home or two properties that they, okay, that's one on the left, and there's actually another one on the right. It's just a home that they've demolished and putting up apartments. Norbrook also has a lot of construction sites. So that's 4 sites we've looked at now. And remember guys, we give you update videos on all these construction sites, any major project every 2 weeks. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay, this is another one that looks like it's just getting on the way. They're digging the foundation, it looks like. I mean, the people who own these big the heavy equipment like these backhoes and tractors, I mean, they must be doing really well, not to mention the companies that own the cranes. I've never seen so many cranes in Jamaica before. Okay, so this one is just getting started. So this is the Halifax area, and they seem to have a lot of apartments and townhouses. And there was another one on this road, but I don't know if they've gotten started yet, so we're going to check it out. Over here, but they've cleared the land, but they haven't started yet. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and remember we give you update videos every 2 weeks. Alright guys, have a good day. Oh, we'll just show you this massive site from another angle. And if anybody has any information like the name of these developments, let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.